So these are all my projects over the weekend, and I'm using my xTool's M1 machine, and I really love the way they turn out. I'm using an air assist, and let me show you how clean the wood came out when I'm done. I'm back in the xTool software, and this is the image. I'm highlighting it and I'm changing it to my size, and I'm doing 10 inches. My wooden round is in the machine, so you're looking at the image inside of the machine, and I'll show you that. Next, I'll select auto measure, and the machine will measure the thickness of my wood, and it's 2.5 millimeters. I have my wood on the triangular prism, so I selected that and I'm cutting, so I selected cut, and I'm using the built-in setting for the speed and the power. So here's my wood inside, and I just selected that button on the front to send the machine to work. And as you can see, there are some smoke because we're doing laser cutting. And the machine comes with a vent hose, so you'll need to be right next to a window where you can place your hose through the window. And I cut a small hole in a piece of thin plywood, and I glued my hose to it so it can send the fumes outside while my machine is working. I also have an air assist. It's a separate attachment, and it helps to keep down the charring of the wood while it's burning. And here's the completed design, and the machine tells you how long it will take. Sometimes it's a little bit longer and sometimes it takes a little bit less time. Here are all my pieces, and I'm just going to be using 2 pieces, and I can also use the rest of it for a separate design. This piece flew out of the position, so it was cut twice. Not sure why that happened. So the air assist is a huge help. I got no burn whatsoever. I was designing a mirror, and here's the final look.